Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can WhatsApp a new contact, whether they are your colleagues, clients or any new person. So for that, firstly you have to find WhatsApp in your phone and open it. Once you have opened WhatsApp, we can see green button with plus icon in the middle at the bottom right corner of the screen, to which you have to click on it. After clicking that, we have to find the search icon which is at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Now, you have to enter the new contact to whom you want to WhatsApp. And once you have typed the number at the top of the search bar, you can see the results showing the number to whom you want to WhatsApp. And now you can see a green button saying chat, on tapping on which we can get this interface through which we can send messages to our new contact in WhatsApp. And this is how we can WhatsApp to a new contact. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.